How to back up and restore the Quick Access Toolbar in Windows 10 File Explorer. Whether you're managing a single device or working in a controlled environment, it's important to know how to back up and restore your Quick Access Toolbar settings. In this video, we'll show you how. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is the Quick Access Toolbar? First, let's review what the Quick Access Toolbar is. Also known as the QAT, it's a small customizable ribbon that lets you create shortcuts for common file actions like new folder, rename, and delete. So what's the point of backing this up? Well, if you're switching devices or applying a Windows feature update, your QAT preferences might reset. If you want to retain these settings, you can back up or restore them using the registry editor. Let's go over the steps. How to back up the Quick Access Toolbar in File Explorer. Just a quick heads up, the registry editor is a powerful tool in Windows, and making incorrect changes here can impact your system's performance or stability. Always back up your registry first to be safe. To back up your QAT, open the registry editor by pressing Win+R, typing regedit, and hitting enter. Next, navigate to this location. Right-click on the ribbon key and choose Export. Then, save the .reg file to a safe and familiar location. This file is your personal QAT backup, and with it, restoring your settings will be a breeze. How to restore the Quick Access Toolbar in File Explorer. Now to restore your QAT, locate your .reg file, right-click it, and select Merge. Then confirm your actions by clicking Yes. For these changes to apply, restart File Explorer or simply log out and back into your account. An important note, keep in mind that restoring your QAT on a different or newer Windows build may not always work as expected, especially if some commands aren't available in the new File Explorer version. Troubleshooting common issues. Finally, if you run into some issues, try out these solutions. If your restored QAT isn't showing, restart File Explorer or your PC. Also, ensure you're using the correct user profile. If you see a permission error during restore, make sure you're signed in with an admin account. Overall, the QAT may be small, but can make a big difference in your workflow. Backing it up ensures continued productivity when you update your system or switch devices. For more information, check out our official blog post on backing up and restoring the QAT, linked in the description below.